welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can make your own wired head bows. These are so customizable, so cute, and very easy to make. You can make these in under an hour or so. I made two styles, one using fabric from a skirt I recycled and the other fabric was bought. These are the materials. I recommend you use cotton fabric. This is the pattern overview. It's 3 simple rectangles, and remember that the seam allowance is already included. This is the CC Cat head bow I tore apart. As you can see, it has some oxidation stains because I left some clip-ons for a long time, and I just decided to see how it was made. It's a very simple pattern. As you can see, it has the wiring. You can reuse this if you're using another head bow like I did. You can also take apart lace or whichever lace yours has. And this is the middle wrap. It's all a big rectangle, folded about once or twice. You can start by cutting out your pattern. And you can see the sizes here. Now flip inside out, right sides together, and sew along the end of the fabric. Turn the fabric, all 3 pieces, inside out, and this is a part that's optional. You can iron them to flatten out the seam in the middle, although it's not completely necessary because you're not going to see the seams once you're done with it. Super important, please flip your pieces because you're gonna add your lace now or any other decoration. And remember to sew about a half a centimeter from the edge of the seam. This is where you're gonna leave a pocket for your wiring. Now you can finally add your wiring. Measure with the piece that you have, the length you need to cut. I got this wiring from the dollar store. It's really easy to find. If you're having a hard time pulling through the wire through the fabric. Depending on what fabric you're using, it might be a bit difficult. You can just bend the end and that'll make it easier. Now you just have to basically calculate where the middle part of the two rectangles you sewed are, so that you do exactly what I'm doing in the video. You just pull both pieces to the middle, like a book. Leave a bit of overlapping, not so much that you lose length to your piece, but just enough so that they are sewn right in the middle. Now you want to sew down the overlapping of the fabric, but remember to not sew on top of the wire because this will most likely break your needle. Now the idea of bending it like this is just so that it looks good once you apply your middle wrap. Make sure it's evenly pinched, starting from the middle, then to the back, and then to the middle again. Wrap your thread around to keep in place with any thread, or actually with the same wiring you just used. Now wrap your middle piece around and remember to bend off the corner a little bit so that you don't see the raw edges once you're sewing it. You can use a basic stitch here. It's best if you use a similar color thread, as same as your fabric. Woo! And we are done. Well, almost. I decided to add on these little satin bows to accent out the colors in the head bow. By the way, I just wanted to say thank you to my 5 followers. I know I have some people just watching even though I don't have a large following yet, but I just want to say thank you. Alright, so this is the finished look. Tell me what you thought about it, or if the tutorial was actually easy. I think I explained myself pretty well, but I still like to hear your opinion, and if you have any other ideas for tutorial, hit me up. Bye!